Do you want to conquer the Databricks Data Engineer exam with confidence? This course is your ultimate weapon to transform from a data engineer to a Databricks certified professional.
Hi, welcome to this course. My name is Priya. I'm solopreneur and instructor for this course.
Benefits of this course. Conquer the Databricks Data Engineer exam with confidence. This course equips you with the knowledge and practical skills to ace the challenging Databricks Certified Data Engineer exam. By the end, you'll be able to confidently design and build robust data pipelines using Apache Spark and Databricks tools. Master Delta Lake for efficient data storage, management, and querying. Optimize data processing for performance and scalability on the Databricks platform. Tackle real-world data engineering scenarios with hands-on practice exercises simulating the exam format. Learning objectives refresher. Deep dive into essential Databricks concepts. Practice tests are meticulously designed to make you Databricks professional data engineer. At the end of the course, you will conquer Apache Spark fundamentals. Master core Spark concepts like data frames, datasets, and transformations. Databricks deep dive. Learn how to leverage Databricks tools for data ingestion, processing, and visualization. Delta Lake expertise. Become proficient in Delta Lake tables, asset transactions, and time travel capabilities. Data pipelines and workflows. Design and build scalable data pipelines using Databricks workflows. Exam preparation. Sharpen your skills with practice exams mimicking the real certification format with detailed explanations. Are you this aspiring data engineering pro? This course is designed for data engineers and aspiring professionals looking to validate their skills and advance their careers with the coveted Databricks Certified Data Engineer certification. You are eager to confidently build data pipelines, master Delta Lake, and earn industry recognition. But you might be worried about the complexity of the exam and feeling unprepared for the hands-on aspects. This course will help you overcome those hurdles and become a sought-after Databricks expert.
Ready to become a certified Databricks pro? Enroll now and dominate the Databricks Certified Data Engineer exam. Don't miss out on this opportunity to validate your skills and unlock exciting data engineering career possibilities. Thank you for watching and good luck.